Bible Study Guide, Day 27, Genesis 43 to 45. In Genesis 43, we see Jacob's sons finishing off the grain they got from Egypt. Jacob finally agrees to let his sons go back to Egypt for more food and take his youngest son Benjamin with them. Judah pledges to take the blame if anything happens. They also bring along double the money they owed from their first trip and gifts for the Egyptian ruler. As they arrive, Joseph sees his brother Benjamin and orders them to his home. They are afraid, thinking they will be treated as thieves again, but instead they are invited to a feast at Joseph's house. When Joseph arrives, they present their gifts and bow down before him. Joseph is overcome with emotion when he sees Benjamin and has to go weep in private. When he returns, the brothers are served and seated in order of their age, which amazes them. Benjamin receives 5 times as much as his brothers. After the feast, Joseph commands his steward to fill their sacks with food and put back the money they paid. He also puts a silver cup that he uses for divination in Benjamin's sack. The brothers leave but are quickly stopped by Joseph's men, who accuse them of stealing the cup. Joseph's men search their bags one by one, starting with the eldest and ending with Benjamin's. The cup is found in Benjamin's sack, causing the brothers to tear their clothes in despair. They all return to Joseph's house, where he accuses them of stealing from him. He says he will keep Benjamin as a slave and the rest can go free. Judah pleads for mercy, offering himself as a servant instead of Benjamin, as it would break their father's heart. Unable to control his emotions any longer, Joseph reveals himself to his brothers and weeps loudly. He tells them not to be distressed for selling him into slavery because it was actually God's plan. Joseph explains that he has been placed in a position of power in Egypt to save many lives during the famine. He then invites his family to come and live with him there. The brothers are stunned and afraid, but Joseph reassures them that they will all be taken care of. Pharaoh offers the best of Egypt to Joseph's family and gives them carts and provisions for the journey back to Canaan. When they return to Canaan, Jacob is shocked to learn that Joseph is still alive. After seeing all the goods and hearing the story, he agrees to go to Egypt with his family. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help us spread the word. God bless you.